Well, just so you can see what we saw coming over, that was the Robin HR-200 that's just came over, which it looks like it's pretty much over, which is pretty much now lunchtime anyway, but you know, now gone 12 o'clock anyway. So yes, as you can see, that was the Robin HR-200 just seen come over today apparently, which that one is just currently flown over near my place today apparently. But obviously because of the weather today is, yeah, again it's turning out boiling hot today, yeah, again apparently. So yeah, but it turns out, yeah, again that is it's pretty much hot today apparently, but it's obviously it's nice and sunny and hot today apparently. So yeah, but just you can see the registration is registering today is G-BYNK, we've just seen came over today apparently, which technically this is the one that's based in Bodmin Airfield anyway, which just you can see just from here, as you can see that's just took off from his based at Bodmin Airfield just before 25 past 11 anyway, so that would have took off just before 11:25 AM this morning anyway. But anyway, just you can see just from here today, literally just flew over somewhere near Plymouth today apparently. So technically this is where it turned right to anyway, just as you can see it passed over Tamar Valley anyway. As you can see it aimed over somewhere just near Todd Point anyway, which is in Devon anyway. So yeah, so technically he was just pretty much just over near Todd Point anyway. So yeah, which that's where it's probably just been to anyway. And just you can see that came from all the way just near Todd Point anyway, and then into South Cornwall anyway. So yeah, and just you can see just from where we saw it from the distance, it was literally just around 25 to 24,000 feet anyway. And then just from here, as he went right again, he was about he currently did drop down to about 24 from 22,000 feet anyway. So yeah, they did drop to about 24,000 feet, then dropped to about 22,000 feet anyway. So as you can see right now, he's now passing Pound Wow, I believe anyway. I don't think we will be able to get a pass of it when it does anyway. I don't think we'll be able to get it flying past anyway. Might not be able to get it for the second fly past anyway, but I'm not sure. But hopefully for the time being, he will be heading back to his base at Bodmin Airfield very soon anyway, which hopefully we'll be heading back there shortly, hopefully for the time being we'll be heading back to his base at Bodmin Airfield very soon anyway. So yeah, which hopefully we'll be heading back there in a short time hopefully, after it's been doing his lessons anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.